they had concern about throat or any fracture or compression of the throat, they too will hold them back. He doesn't know why they held the throat back, but he said the throat was not with the body of Nolan Wells when he received it in Washington, D.C. to perform the second autopsy.
The autopsy report for Nolan Wells is back. It is not a homicide, it is not an accident. It is undetermined. For 18 days, we've tracked the timeline, we've scrutinized the witnesses, we've questioned why law enforcement called this closed before the science was ever finished. And now, the one word that was supposed to end this investigation has done the opposite. Because undetermined doesn't mean nothing happened, it means the body couldn't tell us how it happened. No fractures, no clear wound, just one mark on the back of the skull that no one has explained. And when the family's own examiner opened the file, parts of the body were already gone, taken by the state before he ever got to look. Here's why that one word matters more than it should. An undetermined ruling doesn't close a case, it opens a vacuum. And right now, that vacuum is being filled with two autopsies that don't agree, a legal team preparing to challenge the findings, and a family asking why the answers keep disappearing before they arrive. This isn't just about how Nolan Wells died anymore. It's about who gets to decide what the truth even means. If the science can't tell us what happened on Horn Island, we have to start looking at everyone standing between us and the answer. Because right now, according to the record, nobody agrees. Stay with us, we're going back to the beginning of this word, undetermined, and we're not leaving until we understand exactly what it does and does not tell us. Let's start with the science. Forensic pathologists work with 3 possible rulings and only 3, homicide, accident, undetermined. There's a 4th, natural causes, but nobody has suggested that here. So we're left with what looks like a simple choice but isn't. It's a spectrum, and undetermined sits at the far end of it, the end that means the evidence ran out before the story did. Here's what each ruling actually requires. To call a death a homicide, a medical examiner needs physical findings that point to another person's involvement.